What Jesus says here simply is, respond to my words immediately. Believe in me now before it's too late. It's not a threat, it's grace. Jesus entering his last week on earth. The hour has come. The time is now. What Jesus said to them is just as urgent for us to hear today. There is very limited time. Yes, it's been 2,000 years and Jesus hasn't come back. I'm aware. But maybe you only have 20 or 60 years left, or 20 or 60 days, or minutes. And this is the time to respond now. This is the day of salvation. So believe in Jesus Christ today, while you still have time. Don't say, I go to church. Don't say, I was raised a Baptist. Put your faith in Jesus Christ. Walk in the light today.